Ever wondered about the rules for flying a drone? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of drone regulations. These rules aren't just bureaucratic red tape, they're crucial for safe and legal drone operations. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, understanding these regulations is key to navigating the sky responsibly. Getting to grips with drone regulations might seem daunting, but we're here to make it simple and straightforward. So, what are the key points you need to know about drone regulations? Let's dive right into it. First up, we have drone registration. In many countries, if your drone weighs more than a certain amount, usually half a pound, you've got to register it with the relevant aviation authority. Think of it like getting a license plate for your car. It's all about accountability. Next, we have flight restrictions. Drones are not allowed to fly everywhere. For instance, you can't fly a drone near airports or in restricted airspace. And remember, most drones are restricted to a maximum altitude of 400 feet. Then, we have privacy concerns. This is a big one. You can't just fly your drone wherever you want and start taking pictures or videos. There are laws in place to protect people's privacy, and violating these can lead to serious penalties. Finally, we have safety guidelines. These include rules like maintaining visual contact with your drone at all times, not flying over people or moving vehicles, and not operating your drone under the influence of alcohol or drugs. These key points are just the tip of the iceberg. Each country has its own specific regulations, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with these before you start flying. As you can see, drone regulations cover a wide range of areas to ensure safety, privacy, and legal compliance. Let's quickly recap the main points about drone regulations that we've covered. Firstly, we delved into the importance of registering your drone. This process is vital for accountability and safety, ensuring that you're part of a community of responsible drone operators. Next, we highlighted the no-fly zones, a critical aspect of drone flying. Always remember to check for restrictions in your area before launching your drone. We also touched on the weight and height limitations for drones, which differ depending on your location and the type of drone. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these limits to avoid penalties. Lastly, we underscored the importance of privacy laws when flying drones. It's not just about flying, it's about respecting the privacy of others. So, there you have it. The crux of drone regulations summarized. But remember, these are just the basics. Laws vary by region, so make sure to research the specific regulations in your area. Remember, understanding and following drone regulations is key to enjoying this incredible technology responsibly. Thank you for watching, and happy flying.